Do you or anyone you know suffer from mood swings or anxiety?
Or anyone who tends to have strong emotional reactions, even in small situations?
You might not believe this, but your genes play a part in this.
Huh?
So stay tuned to find out how. Hi, and welcome back, guys. And look who we have with us today.
Hey there! I'm Kevin's distant cousin, Billy Bear. Welcome to our show. In this Gene Spotlight show, we strive to bring you regular insights on DNA that you never knew you had, in a fun and entertaining way.
Yes, please subscribe to our growing channel to get updated on our new episodes fortnightly. So, hit that big red button below right now.
In this episode, we will share with you a gene that plays a part in regulating your emotions.
Yes, and this gene is called HTR2A. It encodes one of the receptors of serotonin. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter with many roles in the central nervous system.
That's right! Serotonin is the key hormone that stabilizes our mood, feelings of well-being, and happiness. This hormone impacts your entire body. It also enables brain cells to communicate with each other.
Yep, I heard it also helps with sleeping, eating, and digestion. In fact, it even reduces depression, regulates anxiety, and maintains good bone health. This is one of the reasons why our emotional state affects our body physically. Serotonin starts chemical reactions that affect our bodily functions. How interesting is that?
Yes, that's a new fun fact for you guys who never knew. It's awesome to finally know how our mental and emotional states affect our body by understanding our genetics. So Josh, what does HTR2A stand for, and where is it found in the human body?
Yes, HTR2A stands for hydroxytryptamine receptor 2A and is found in chromosome 13 in the human body. So guys, do you know how the HTR2A gene influences our emotions?
Let me answer that. Serotonin receptors influence various biological and neurological processes such as aggression, anxiety, appetite, cognition, learning, memory, mood, nausea, and sleep. As far as emotion is concerned, it helps reduce depression, regulate anxiety, and as Joshua said, it stabilizes your mood. This is why I like to call it the Zen Attitude Gene.
Yes, that's a good name for it. So Billy, do you get angry or upset easily? Or are you very zen?
Well, I'd like to think I'm very patient and friendly. And just as I am big-bellied, I am also big-hearted. But my heart definitely isn't as big as my belly, haha. What about you, Josh?
Oh, I'm quite free-spirited. Very spiritual as well, and I have developed a positive mindset. But we are humans after all, so it's okay to get emotional at times.
That's great, Josh. So, if you have trouble managing your emotions, feelings of frustration and anxiety, even in the slightest of tough situations, it is likely that your body is not producing enough serotonin.
Yep, several studies in clinical depression have implicated a role of the HTR2A gene in the treatment response to antidepressants. The HTR2A gene is responsible for postsynaptic serotonin signaling and is a target for a variety of pharmaceutical and recreational drugs, including many antidepressants. This gene and its variants are found in almost all animals.
Wow, that's good information. So this means that the more serotonin our bodies produce, the better we are able to manage our emotions? Isn't it possible to have too much serotonin?
Oh, that is a good question, Billy. There has to be a balance in this case. When the body produces sufficient amounts of serotonin, we are more capable of handling our emotions. However, if the brain has too much serotonin, it can lead to excessive nerve cell activity. The causes, signs, and symptoms of this can range from mild shivering to severe muscle rigidity, fever, and even seizures.
Oh wow! I also understand that mutations of this gene may cause people to be susceptible to anxiety, obsessive compulsive disorder, and even schizophrenia?
In extreme cases, yes, but don't let this scare you, folks. If you are someone who may have trouble managing your emotions, here are some corrective actions you can take. Number 1. Include serotonin in your diet. You can't directly get serotonin from food, but you can get tryptophan, an amino acid that's converted to serotonin in your brain. Tryptophan is found primarily in high-protein foods, including turkey and salmon. Consuming tryptophan-rich food with 25 to 30 grams of carbohydrates will yield better results. For example, you may try the following: oatmeal with nuts, salmon with brown rice, or whole wheat bread with turkey or cheese. Number 2. Exercise. Exercising triggers the release of tryptophan into your blood. It can also decrease the amount of other amino acids. This creates an ideal environment for more tryptophan to reach your brain. Aerobic exercise, at a level you are comfortable with, seems to have the most effect. The goal is to get your heart rate up. Good aerobic exercises include swimming, cycling, brisk walking, and jogging. Number 3. Get more sunlight. Research suggests that serotonin tends to be lower after winter and higher in summer and fall. Serotonin's known impact on mood helps support a link between this finding and the occurrence of seasonal affective disorder and mental health concerns linked to the seasons. Spending time in the sunshine appears to help increase serotonin levels. Number 4. Take supplements. Some dietary supplements may help to jumpstart the production and release of serotonin by increasing tryptophan. Before trying a new supplement, check in with your healthcare provider. Make sure to tell them if you also take medication or other supplements or remedies of any sort. Research suggests that tryptophan supplements could help increase serotonin and reduce symptoms of anxiety or depression.
Wow, those are really insightful tips, guys. If you have trouble managing your emotions, don't be ashamed to acknowledge it to yourself and start your own corrective routines that can help.
Yes, guys, we completely understand if this might be personal for some of you. These are some great ways in which you can help yourself if you struggle with emotions. After all, this is what we are here for, to educate and to help you find answers and solutions.
That's absolutely right, guys. If you know anyone who may be suffering in silence or has clear symptoms of emotional struggle, share this video with them.
Yes, please do. It might just be of great help. Please do like our video and comment in the comment section below. If this has given you new insight and knowledge, please share your thoughts with us. And with that, we have come to the end of this show.
Yup, we hope you like our episode today. And remember, we release a new episode every fortnight and with new DNA, health, wellness, and fitness promotions every month. So please do subscribe to our channel and get updated on new content and new promotions regularly that may change your life.
And so, have an emotionally healthy week, guys. Goodbye.
Bye!